In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at sets in Python. Sets are just like list data structures, and they also do not allow duplicate elements. So over here you can see we have created the sets like x and y using the set constructor method. So here we are saying a set with fruit apple and the another set with mango. Now when I will run this print set x and print set y, you'll notice that it is going to print only the unique elements in the set. For instance, for apple it will be just printing A, P, L, E, and for mango it will be printing M, A, N, G, O. So let's go ahead and run it. The ordering could be random, but you get the idea. So in this case, since P was defined 2 times, you can see that it is only appearing once in the set. Now there are a couple of methods which we can apply on set structure. For instance, if I have to find out data in set x but not in set y, in that case I can simply say x minus y, and let's go ahead and run this. And here you can see it is printing LEP. So if you see over here x minus y, so data in set A is PLE, which is obviously not available in this set, and that is what is being printed over here. Now let's go ahead and see data in set x or in set y, and here you can see the data in set x as well as in set y. So it is like O, M, A, N, G, L, E. So in a way it is printing everything over here. Now if I go and say exclusive OR, that is data which is present in set x and y but not both. So here you'll notice A is present in both the sets. Now if I run this one, here you'll see everything is printed except A. Now if I say print set x and y, in that case it will print the character which is common in both the sets. So these are some of the methods that we can apply on sets, and obviously as we mentioned earlier that sets do not allow to have duplicate elements in it. And here we have the print set function. So all it's doing is looping through all the characters of a set. So when we are passing x to this particular function, it is just looping through each of the characters, and it is ensuring that the end of each character when printed is empty space. And finally it is just wrapping it around rectangular brackets. That's how you see it over here. So that was all about sets in Python.